was sentenced for 90 days. I made a post on Twitter talking about the fact that what her lawyers needed to do at that time was to be able to apply for bail pending an appeal, and that would get her out of prison pending the final decision of the appeal. And a lot of people, lambasted me. A lot of people said I didn't know what I was talking about. A lot of people were saying, all sort of things. But what they didn't know was, according to the Criminal and Other Offences Act 30, 1960, it talks about, and I wrote something little about it on Twitter. It talks about the fact that a person may be granted bail upon conviction pending an appeal. It's an application made by an accused person after his conviction pending an appeal against the conviction. Then it goes on. I went on to say that the courts are thus always cautious to grant bail pending an appeal. There are circumstances under which bail pending an appeal may be granted by the courts. These are set out in Finn and Another versus the Republic 1971. And so going by, this, this is common knowledge, and it's an open procedure that you can get bail after you've even been sentenced and convicted. And I'm happy that today, the court has granted a bail, and I hope and pray that the final decision on her appeal, is granted, and so that we see, the end of this case. And so I just hope and pray that the courts would tamper justice with mercy, and look, God bless Ghana and God bless us all. We are just happy that Captain Polo is out, and so enjoy your Wednesday and have an amazing day.